In this short video, we will go over how to convert verbal map scale into an absolute or dimensionless map scale. A true map scale is a ratio with the same units compared. So a scale of 1 to 100,000 is 1/100,000th of the real world. This is the same as 1 inch is equal to 100,000 inches, 1 foot to 100,000 feet, 1 furlong to 100,000 furlongs, or whatever. It doesn't matter what your units are as long as they are the same. So let's look at an example of a more complicated verbal map scale and go over how to convert it to a dimensionless ratio. Our verbal map scale is 2 centimeters is equal to 5 miles. As a reminder, here are our conversion factors. 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters, 1 foot is equal to 12 inches, 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. To start out with, let's write our verbal scale as an equation. 2 centimeters equals 5 miles. Next, we need to get the same units on both sides of the equation. So we will convert 5 miles to centimeters. To do this, we do a lot of algebra. 5,280 feet is equal to 1 mile, 12 inches is equal to 1 foot, and 2.54 centimeters is equal to 1 inch. Our units all cancel out. This leaves us with centimeters equal to centimeters. Pull out your calculator and do the multiplication. This gives you 2 centimeters is equal to 804,672 centimeters, or 2 units on the map is equal to 804,672 units in the real world. Divide each side by 2, and you get a map scale of 1 to 402,336. There you go.